Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by signing into the exact Google account that will receive the credit. This matters because codes bind to accounts. Once signed in, go directly to YouTube's Redeem or Purchases and Memberships section so you avoid redirects. Make sure you have the 16-character code visible and typed exactly, no extra spaces. Now, click Redeem or Enter Code and focus on the input field. This first action starts the secure validation process that links the code to your account immediately. Next, you enter the code and trigger validation. Type or paste carefully, then trim stray spaces. Copy-paste reduces mistakes. Once YouTube recognizes the code, check the exact offer displayed, whether it's premium time, channel credits, or a specific purchase, because you're confirming what will be applied. If prompted, accept terms, confirm billing region, or complete a quick verification step. This ensures regional matches and prevents later reversals. After you accept, YouTube will apply the credit and display. Finish by confirming the benefit in account purchases and memberships so you know it landed. If the credit or subscription doesn't appear, don't panic. Check for common issues like regional restrictions, expiration dates, or account ineligibility, and then retry carefully or contact Google support with the code and account email. Make sure to keep the original code email or screenshot until you see the benefit applied, because that proof speeds resolution if something goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.